I'm a half stepper.
I love a good exfoliating mask, so I'm especially excited for the latest launch from my brand Naturium, and we call it Half Step.
I'm a half stepper.
I am so excited to introduce you to Naturium Half Step Flash Facial. Before I get into the details of this product, I wanted to share some of the inspiration behind it. I truly love a good exfoliating mask. I just sometimes find them to be very inconvenient to use. And what I mean by that is a lot of the time you'll get one of these exfoliating masks and you find that you'll use it the first couple of times and then you just shelve it, and it never comes out ever again. And it's because the whole process can feel like a very long, drawn out process. If you use it at night, you have to wash your face, then you have to dry your skin, you have to put it onto dry skin, then you have to wash it, and sometimes it'll leave a film on your face, so then you have to wash your face a second time, and then you have to go in with your entire skincare routine. So there becomes this entire process to even use your exfoliating mask. And when it comes down to it, it's just not a realistic way to do your skincare routine on a regular basis, especially as I've gotten busier as a mom, as a business owner, just with life. I feel like it's just so hard to maintain that kind of skincare routine, but at the same time, I want the results I get from a really good exfoliating mask. So that was the inspiration behind this, and it's the reason why we call this Half Step. The whole point of Half Step is that it truly is easy to add into your skincare routine. You can use it on wet or dry skin. You can keep it in the shower, which is where I tend to keep it, and you can use it between your cleanses, after your cleanse, as your cleanse. It really depends how you want to use it. The whole point is that we've formulated this to be very convenient to use. The reason why we call this Half Step is because you can add this into your double cleanse process. You can start with your oil or balm cleanser, then you go in with Half Step, you let it sit on your skin after you massage it in, then you rinse it off, and then you finish with your second cleanse. So it's really that halfway point between your two cleanses, hence Half Step. So let's go ahead and get into the formula. There are several ways that you get exfoliation from this mask. First are the AHAs, the alpha hydroxy acids. We have glycolic acid and lactic acid. Glycolic acid is the king of all the AHAs, and for really good reason. It has the smallest molecule of the AHAs, so it works the hardest. And then when you pair it up with lactic acid, which happens to be my favorite of all of the AHAs, you really get beautifully exfoliated, smooth skin. One of the reasons why I love lactic acid is because I tend to have dry skin, and lactic acid is really good about also hydrating your skin. AHAs in general are really great for anybody with dry skin, but lactic acid especially is great for hydrating your skin, and a lot of people don't associate lactic acid with that. So together they work beautifully to give you exfoliated skin, but that's not all. We have a lot more happening within this one little product. To add to the whole exfoliation experience, we've also added in really gentle exfoliating enzymes in here. They're called lipase and protease. And then there's biodegradable cellulose in here, which gives it a manual exfoliation. It's a very gentle exfoliation, and it's really nice for your skin. This entire product has been formulated to be gentle on your skin, and we always keep your skin health in mind. Also, if you look at the ingredient list, you'll see that we have kaolin clay and we have bentonite clay, just like your typical masks, but this is a lot different because it never dries down to that hard feeling on your skin. It's really one of the things I don't like about exfoliating masks is that they can get so hard that they're difficult to remove from your skin. They can be very uncomfortable to use. And again, you have to like sit around waiting for them to dry. You don't have that experience with this at all. It always feels really nice and creamy and nourishing for your skin, which is a benefit that I think is really important when you're exfoliating your skin. We don't want to strip our skin. We don't want to irritate our skin, but we also want that nice protective barrier that keeps our skin feeling nourished the entire time. So what you'll find in here that I think makes it really different from other exfoliating masks are the hydrating and nourishing ingredients in here. We have a polysaccharide that's derived from fermentation, and what that essentially means is it makes it feel really beautiful. It's very, very hydrating. And then we also put in a lot of glycerin. Good old glycerin. It's the OG of all the humectants. It's probably the most reliable of all the humectants, and we made sure to put a lot of it in this formula. And you'll feel all of that when you put it into your hand and you just start to rub your hands together. It has this really special kind of creamy creamy feel to it. And when you put it onto your skin, it feels like it's cushioning and protecting your skin as you exfoliate. But again, I want you to remember this can be used on dry or wet skin. That really is the key here, because I want this to be as convenient as possible. I prefer to use this in the shower because that's when I tend to double cleanse my skin. If you've watched some of my skincare routine videos, I even say I will put on my cleansing balm and then get into the shower and then rinse it off. And I do my entire double cleanse at night when I'm showering. So I just go ahead and keep this in the shower, and that's usually when I use it. You'll notice there's also a difference in the texture if you use it on wet or dry skin. So when I use it in the shower, my skin is obviously already damp. I usually start with my first cleanse, then I rinse it off, and then I go in with my half step. When you massage it onto your skin while it's damp, you'll feel that it becomes this thinner texture. It's still very significant, and it leaves this beautiful mask layer on your skin. You let it sit for about 5 minutes. That's usually when I'll do something in the shower like shave or put on my conditioning mask or rinse that off. I'll do one of the other steps in the shower while I let it sit on my skin. Then I rinse it off, and then sometimes I go in with my second cleanse, or I don't, just depending on how my skin feels and what kind of makeup I was wearing that day. If I had a lot of makeup on, I'll definitely go in with my second cleanse, and if I don't, then I'll just use this as my second cleanse. Now, when it's dry, it's obviously a lot thicker, so you can put it onto your skin dry. It tends to look a little bit more like a mask. Just remember to just gently massage it onto your skin, or even just put it in the areas where you feel like you need it. You can use it in the areas where you tend to get more clogged pores, for instance, and then you can multi-mask as well and use other types of masks. Either way, it won't dry down to be this really hard clay kind of exfoliating mask. It just remains creamy as it sits on your skin. Again, leave it for about 5 minutes. You can leave it a little bit longer if you want a deeper exfoliation, but I really feel like 5 minutes is that sweet spot for it. Then when you rinse it off, I like to actually enjoy that experience a little bit more and also continue to massage it on my skin, because you still have that manual exfoliation as well. And then once you're done rinsing it, you can continue with your skincare routine, and you'll just feel your skin is just smooth like a baby. It is such a nice exfoliating experience. It's also great for all skin types. If you have sensitive skin, obviously ease into this. Use it maybe once a week and see how your skin does. I tend to use it 2 to 3 times a week, and that's usually what we recommend. You don't have to use an exfoliator like this every single day to really get the benefits. You'll see after you rinse it off of your skin and you go in with the rest of your skincare routine, you get this beautiful immediate glow to your skin, and you know it's working. It just works so well right away. And of course, just a reminder, when you use an exfoliator, make sure you're always wearing your sunscreen during the day. I always say you need your sunscreen. I just emphasize it whenever you start exfoliating your skin. So just a reminder, exfoliation is important, but your sunscreen is even more important. So that's the latest launch from my brand Naturium Half Step Flash Facial. I hope you guys enjoy this. I love this product. I know you're gonna love it. You'll feel results and see results immediately, and that's one of the things that I love about this. I always talk about how skincare takes patience and time. With this product, you'll know that it's working right after you use it. If you have any questions, obviously feel free to ask me. You can find us on Instagram. We're at Naturium Skin. We have amazing people in customer service that can answer any of your questions and even help you put together your own skincare routine. We even have our skincare routine builder on our website, naturium.com. You can also find me on Instagram. I'm at Susan Yara, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.